What's the biggest secret you're keeping from your parents? I never told my parents why I really dropped out of college, and they think it was because I couldn't handle the workload. But the truth is that I got pregnant. When I told my boyfriend, he freaked out and threw my stuff on the street. I was alone, scared, and too ashamed to tell my parents. So I had a secret abortion and quit college. It's been 5 years now, and they still don't know the real reason why I quit. Every time they mention how disappointed they are about my degree, I feel guilty. I work a dead-end retail job now, barely making anything but rent. But my ex is married now with a wife and a child. I don't think I'll ever fully forgive myself for ruining my life.